Federal prosecutors just unsealed a sweeping indictment alleging a point-shaving scheme in NCAA Division I men's basketball. The legal exposure is serious. The government is charging roughly 20 individuals with allegations spanning multiple seasons involving more than a dozen current and former players, and impacting nearly 30 games across approximately 17 programs. Reportedly, players were paid between $10,000 and $30,000 to influence the margin, not to necessarily lose, but to manipulate the spread. From a legal standpoint, this is not just an NCAA compliance issue, it is a federal criminal problem. These cases are typically built around wire fraud, conspiracy, and bribery, based on theories tied to influencing sporting contests. To convict, prosecutors have to prove more than just suspicious outcomes. They need to establish intent, meaning a knowing agreement to participate in a scheme to defraud and overt acts taken to advance it. And that is where these cases get complicated. Performance variability is real. Athletes miss shots, they foul, they have off nights, and defense counsel will argue that the government is criminalizing ordinary sports dynamics unless there's some clear evidence of deliberate manipulation. That's why prosecutors rely heavily on digital communications, payment trails, and betting market analytics showing abnormal wagering patterns tied to specific games or players. But the consequences extend beyond criminal court. Even allegations alone can trigger NCAA eligibility losses, institutional discipline, and reputational damage. And universities can also face scrutiny over whether compliance programs and internal controls were adequate. The bigger takeaway is simple. Legalized sports betting has expanded the market, but has also expanded the legal risk. And when integrity issues intersect with money movement and wagering, data, federal prosecutors increasingly treat it like fraud, not just misconduct. If you have questions about this or want to talk more, my name's Braeden Anderson. I'm a partner at Gesmer Updegrove. Until next time, see ya.